Hi, and welcome. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of Trello boards and show you how teams use them to organize tasks and manage projects more efficiently. Let's get started. Open your browser and sign into Trello. Once you log in, you'll see your workspace dashboard, where all your boards and projects are displayed. A Trello board is used to organize tasks and workflows visually. Each board can represent a project, a team, or a specific process. Open any board. Inside the board, you'll see lists. Lists are used to represent different stages of work, such as to-do, in progress, and completed. Within each list, you can create cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items of work. Click Add a Card to create a new task. You can give the card a title, description, due date, attachments, and checklists. You can also assign team members to cards so everyone knows who is responsible for each task. One of the most useful features in Trello is drag and drop functionality. You can easily move cards between lists as work progresses. At the top of the board, you'll find additional features such as filters, automation, and board settings, which help teams customize and manage their workflow more effectively. Teams often use Trello boards for project management, bug tracking, content planning, recruitment pipelines, and daily task management. And that's a quick overview of how Trello boards work. Thanks for watching.